Good morning. What am I doing? Trying to find my watch. 6:55. The kids are all downstairs with Ben. I've just got dressed. Mika put on her Christmas onesie from last year. And then Fox was like, I like your outfit. And I said, you've got one as well. And so he put his on as well. And then Ari cried because she didn't like hers last year because it wasn't pretty and made me give it to the charity. And now she wants one. Because then she can match her brother and sister. So I've just found one on eBay that I'm bidding on for her. But she didn't like it because it wasn't pretty. So we shall see if I get that. But yeah. Oh. It's Thursday today. I've got my blood test today at 2. I think my mum's coming today. I'm still so snotty. I don't feel bad at all. I don't feel poorly in the slightest. I've just got this horrible cough still. And a ridiculous amount of snot. Which is just not my favourite. I'm bored of it. The man's coming to buy my car on Saturday, which is exciting. Oh, I need to put moisturiser on actually. Oh, it's nearly run out. I have been using my Good Molecules one, which I love, but I do just love the smell of the Fenty one. The Good Molecules one doesn't smell of anything that anyone that uses Fenty knows. Fenty is very, very highly perfumed, and I love it. So I'm hoping that I get a new one for Christmas. I booked mine and Mika's piercings last night. I booked her for her holes in her ears, and I booked the wrong thing for me. I meant to book 3 ear piercings, and I booked any 3 piercings, and it was like, you'd been charged an £80 deposit, and I was like, oh, bumhole, so I can get it changed, because I want this bottom one redone, and then I want 2 at the top. I'm not sure where, but yeah, so I'll have mine done first, and Mika can watch me, and then she'll have hers done. And then I don't know if Ben's booking in as well. I booked Santa. We're going to Highways in Norfolk, which still has loads of spaces if anyone is looking for anything in Norfolk. Highways Garden Centre. We went there last year and it was amazing. And they had like a COVID-free Santa, and like you had the whole experience of going through and everything. And then when you got to see Santa, he was like in this big room. I put my vlog here. It was hilarious. It was like touch-free Santa, and it was so fun. But this year they're doing something different. But it's highly, highly worth it. And it's like £12 a kid. So on the grand scheme of Santa things, it's really good, because some of them are like £30 a child, and I'm like, oh well, I know it's going to be amazing, but then it's like 25 quid an adult, and I'm like, I don't want to fucking see Santa. Like, I don't. You could understand and say, right, I'll pay £30 each per child. That's a lot, but if it's part of their Christmas present, fair enough. But then 25 quid per adult as well. I don't want to spend 50 quid for me and Ben to just be surrounded by screaming children all day. Like, I don't get it. Don't charge the adults, or charge the adults like a token, a quid or something. But this place doesn't. It just charges the kids, and it's £12.95 per child. Yeah, we loved it last year, but I'll link the vlog either here or I'll put it down below from when we went. But I need to go downstairs, I need coffee, and I need to make all 3 lunches today, because Mika says she's going back to school today. She feels loads better. So let's go make lunches. Hey. All the lunches are made. It's 7:30. Gary's there. My mum was going to come today, but she's just rung, and she's still really poorly, bless her. She sounds rough as arseholes. And she said, oh, I'll still come because you've all had it and I don't want to give it to you. And I was like, seriously, just stay home, because she needs to rest. So she's going to stay at home today. All the kids are in school today, hopefully. I am going to continue trying to clean ready for Christmas decorations, because I'm very excited about that. I'm trying to make some sprouts for Aria. Yeah. I bought some sprouting peas, and then you soak them in water for 24 hours, and then put them in a jar with a, meant to have a mesh, but I haven't got a mesh, so I've just done a bit of muslin cloth. And we'll see what happens. Oh, because I thought that might be something fun for Ari to eat in a quest to get her to eat more vegetables. I've got this for me and Ben to try. Korean spicy rice cakes. I've seen them all over TikTok recently and I was like, I need some of those. Yeah, my blood test is this afternoon. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do it now because I'm probably going to have Fox with me, which I don't want to take Fox into a hospital because obviously it's not a nice place for a kid to go. So I'm not sure. Ben may have to have him. But I'm going to go and get presentable for the school run. Fox is apparently going in a onesie today and I can't be bothered to argue with him. He's going in the onesie that he was wearing this morning, so we're going to put a t-shirt on underneath it and then he's just going to go in it and we'll see what happens, see what nurse we think. But I'll speak to you later. Yay! We're going to hide some vegetables in some kids' food. So I'm chopping an onion. Oh my goodness, it's a big onion. Probably only need half of this. Why am I peeling it like that? I don't need to actually chop it. I'm going to put this and some celery and cucumber in the food processor. The cats are going absolutely bananas. Chippy is insane. So I'm going to chuck this in the food processor. And then I've got... This was frozen, that's why it's in water. Wait there. I need to drain it. Chuck that in. Yeah. I need to scrape it down. All the carrots have gone to the top. Hidden veg. I'm making a shepherd's pie, so I'm going to sweat this off and then show you the rest. What are you two doing? They're all angry because I've shut them downstairs. They're not allowed upstairs because they keep weeing on stuff. He wees in corners and he wees in things. And the other ones are good. Hi, Chippy. Hi, Chippy. What are you doing? Are you crazy today? Are you crazy, Chippy? Where's your little mouse? Chippy, what's this? Chippy, what's that? This sofa, Fox just spills juice on it every single day. It was stained when we got it from Facebook. But he makes it worse every day. Oh, this is Choppy, and Linda. Chip and Linda. Hey, boy. With the other half of the onion, I just blend it up and then put it in a little freezy bag, and I'm going to put it in the freezer, and then that will be enough onion for another meal. Oh my god, they're really strong and they made me cry. I got myself these today. They look amazing. Crushed black peppercorns and salt nut mix. Get in my face. That is going to be my bedtime snack tonight, and I'm very excited. Right, the veggies are all soft, and I'm going to add some mince. Mince is in. It's in. I just brown the mince and then chuck some stock in, beef stock, some lentils, some bovril, salt and pepper and garlic granules. And that's it. Put it on there. I'm in the car again. I'm at the N&N. And I'm going for my blood test. It's now 1:42 and I need to be at the blood department, which is like a 10-minute walk away because the car parks are so full. So I've had to park in some random one, multi-story. So yeah, I'm going to go and have my blood test and then hopefully we'll get some results early next week.
We're making potatoes.
We are making potatoes. What kind of potatoes? Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes.
Who loves mashed potatoes?
Get a share.
Who loves mashed potatoes?
Me.
Yeah.
Plop in the bowl.
Yeah, plop in the bowl.
Ah! Ouchie. 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 Ow, ow.
Why are they saying ow?
Potato.
Why are the potatoes saying ow?
Whee! It's so proud. Ow.
Is it funny?
Yeah, plop, plop. Plop.
Don't matter.
Yeah, don't dirty.
Yeah, just give it a wash in a minute. That'll be okay.
In the tumble dryer.
No, probably not in the tumble dryer.
No.
Just in the sink.
Now chop.
Yeah?
Put them all in the bowl.
Yeah.
Then it fill it.
Yeah, and we're going to make mashed potatoes.
How feels right?
Give this one a little wash.
Then it clean.
Chuck him in the bowl.
Ow. Yeah, wait for me, mashed potato. Wait for me, mashed potato. Wait for me, wait. No. Ow. Look. I guess I'm a helper.
You are my helper. Best helper ever.
Oh.
It's okay.
Yeah.
What did you do at nursery today?
Not do knives.
Not do knives?
No.
No, you don't play with knives.
The mummy and daddy.
Yeah. So what did you do?
And granddad and nana and granny nana.
Yeah.
And Odge.
Odd, yeah.
And Mimi and Ab Mimi.
Yeah.
And Auntie Pooper Pants.
Auntie Pooper Pants.
Yeah.
That is other Mimi. Other Mimi is Auntie Pooper Pants. So what did you actually do?
You put it like this.
Yeah, you didn't play with knives, but what did you do? Did you sing songs for your play?
Yeah.
Yeah? You sing Jingle Bells?
Yeah.
Wow.
Shove them all in the bowl.
Shove them all in the bowl. Good boy. Got more?
Got one left.
One left.
Then it finished.
Yeah.
Plop them all in the bowl.
Plop them all in the bowl. Oh, this tato bad. All mouldy. Not use that one. We got lots.
We got all the potatoes.
Well, you want to show them? Wow, good job. Thank you.
I can't carry it.
Is it heavy?
Yeah. It all got potatoes.
Mine and Ben's are done. Mine's exploding. It's just the mince with some mashed potato and then cheese. It's just a cottage pie basically. Ari's having mince and curly fries. Fox is having mince, curly fries and mash. And Mika's having mince and mash. And she didn't want it like this. Excuse me, sir. What is your issue? You've been outside for approximately 9 seconds. Chippy, what's he doing? What's he doing, Chippy? What's he doing? Are you fighting my camera? Are you fighting my camera? I got a new bed in. It looks grey, but it's dark green. It's like the teddy bear material. I'm very excited. Ben hates it. What's your question? What's your question?
What's your favourite song?
I can't pick. What's your favourite song?
Guess.
Is it Tay Tay? Is it Shake It Off? You love that one, don't you? I can't pick. I have far too many favourite songs. And I get new favourite songs all the time. I found a new one today that I love, which I'll link. I don't even know what it's called. What's it called? I can't play it, obviously, because I'll get demonetised. I will leave a link for it. It's called Maybe My Soulmate Died, and it's by I Am Not Shane, and I absolutely fucking love it. Can you think of any of Mummy's favourite songs? Tell us your favourite songs down below. I'd like to know.
I'm trying to spell something.
Mika was just mind blown because I was typing my tags and I was looking at her. Don't do that because you're buggering it up. I was typing without looking, so I wrote in my tags, Mika smells of poop. And then I just wrote, hello, my name is Mummy, and Mika and Ara are in my bed, and Aria is naked and stinks of poops, and Mika is a cheeseburger head. I've just been doing some painting. I love oil paints, but they take so bloody long to dry. It really drives me insane. Ben has just been and got my prescription from the doctors. I don't even know what it is. I'm giving you wait a second. Lansoprazole. I don't know when I'm supposed to take them. Take once a day. So take one and see. And then he's got me some of this because something has irritated my throat this evening. And it's very, very tickly. So I'll have some of that before bed. But I'm going to edit. It's not editing, that's just a computer. And I'm going to go to bed on my snuggly new bed. Oh, you can see it, the colour here. It's so lovely. But yeah, Ben hates it. He thinks it's going to be too hot. But he turns the heating on all the time, and I hate the heating on. I'd rather be cold and then snuggle into blankets than be sweaty because the heating's on. Yeah, I'm going to go to bed. I'm not going to go to bed. I'm going to watch a film and edit and stuff, and I'm going to eat these. So, yeah, I will see you tomorrow.